L Brands, though, different story. It is down, the home of Victoria's Secret issuing current quarter guidance that is below forecasts, overshadowing better than expected quarterly results. It's been a tough story, L Brands. I mean, the story of the week has been the strength of the consumer overall. We've talked about it so many times, whether it was TJX and Kohl's and yesterday Target or even Lowe's. But L Brands, I guess, I mean, it ventures into territory I'm not that familiar with because I don't shop for bras. But apparently there was a good margin on them, and they don't sell as many of them anymore at the high price.
As Leslie Wexner, founder, CEO, was saying that in an interview he gave a few years to the Financial Times, that 99% of the customers are women. It's just the day, Valentine's Day and Christmas, that you get some men. David, very troubled here. I'm very troubled. They lowered the full-year guidance for the second time this year. Pink, which had been on fire, is now negative mid-single comps. Senior management switching people from Bath and Body, which has been the good part, to other ends. Victoria's Secret declined low single digits. Decline in bras was partially offset by panties and sleepwear. Merchant margin declined bad. David, to say that they're in trouble is to be a little bit, let's say, not
run by one of the greatest merchants of all time.
Yes, absolutely.
Without a doubt.
Double down on the mall.
Octogenarian now.
Yep, 80 years old.
Wexner, yeah.
But here's the problem, David. The problem is that you have to keep up with the times. You have to spend a fortune like Brian Cornell did, like Laura Albert did, a fortune like Lowe's is doing. I like Costco, which is doing it on its own. It is difficult to compete against Amazon. Now, a lot of what these other companies do are algorithmic, a la Netflix. They figure out what people want, and they give it to them. Now, Leslie Wexner has famously said that it's the eye of the merchant, not unlike Mickey Drexler.
Correct.
That you can intuit what they want. I think the lesson of Amazon is no, you can't, and that the machines are smarter than people. It is no slight to people. The machines are looking at what's bought, what your preferences are, and then pushing more to you. That is actually logical. So I think Leslie Wexner, I'm going to say he's behind the times, and it's a big issue. And they don't have a great balance sheet. Bath and Body Works is doing
well. I don't believe they have a
successor
either.
No, and Les is going to be doing more with Victoria's Secret. Look, I revere Les. I remember when LMTD made people fortunes.
Yes.
In the old days, limited. But David, if you do not keep up with the times, if you do not spend, then you get JCPenney's.